Hello, it's Alex from Barn Cars in Brentwood. Here we've got the Smart 4.2. It's the 0.9 Turbo Prime Premium Sport Twinamic. It's petrol, automatic and ULEZ compliant. This car has got an MOT until September 2026 and it's had a new service. This car has got one former owner. It's a matte grey with gloss black alloy wheels. It's got a full leather interior with heated seats. It has parking sensors, touchscreen media, a multifunction leather steering wheel with Bluetooth hands-free, a panoramic roof, it's got air conditioning and it also has got some more extras as well. If you'd like to finance this vehicle, we do have a finance calculator on our website. Alternatively, you can call us and we can give you a quote over the telephone. This car will also come with a 12 months AA breakdown cover and we do accept part exchanges, so please do let us know. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.